Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss questions of exercise 5.3 of arithmetic progressions. Children, first of all we'll discuss simple summation questions. Summation means sum, and then we'll move on to complex questions. Let's see the question here. It is given find the sum this comma this to 11 terms. That means you need to find out here sum of 11 terms. Children, try to frame the things from the questions. Find the sum, that means we need to calculate sum to 11 terms. That means sum of 11 terms has to be calculated here. So I know the formula for n term is given by n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I am applying the same formula here. In place of n, here I have written 11 equal to 11 by 2 to, what is my a? A is 1 by 15 plus n is again 11 minus 1. What about d? We'll be calculating d. Successive term minus preceding term. So I'll be taking LCM. So it will be 60. 12 5s are and 12 4s are, so this is coming out to be 1 by 60. So your D is 1 by 60. Now I have to just simplify it. 11 by 2, this is 2 into 1 is 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. So here I will be getting it as 0 and 0 gone. So it is, now children, please don't do this mistake over here, because you people, what do? You just cut this 2 with this 2. No, this 11 by 2 is completely multiplied with this term. So first of all you simplify this bracket term and then you multiply with 11 by 2. Just don't multiply 11 by 2 with this only. So first of all I have to simplify the terms which is given in the bracket. So this is 11 by 2 and I am taking LCM over here. So 15 and 6 LCM will give me here 30. 15 2s are, so 4 plus 6 5s are, so this is here 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. Now I can cancel 3 3s are 9, 3 1s 3 10. So this is 33 by 20. So you are getting your sum as 33 by 20. Let's see the next question. Here your A is given to you as 7. Your last term is given to you as 84, and you can calculate D by subtracting preceding term from successive term. That means 10 complete 1 by 2 minus 7, which gives me 21 by 2 minus 7. Take the LCM, so it will be 21 minus 14 and this will be 7 by 2. Now children, I told you a formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L, and I told you you can apply this formula only when the first and the last number is known to you. So your first and the last number is known to you, number of terms is not known to you. How many terms are there? N is not known to you. So what you can do, either you can apply this formula or simply you can apply this formula to find out the sum, because here you have to calculate n for this. So before applying this formula I need to calculate my n, and for n I can use a formula which is again just an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I have just two formulae. If this formula is not giving me the answer, that means side by side I have to apply that formula also. So your nth term is given 84, your a is given to you as 7, n minus 1, d is given to you as 7. Bring this 7 this side, so this is your n minus 1, 7 by 2. Subtract it, it will be your 77. And when this is in product, so this 7 by 2 when will come this side, it will be just 2 by 7. This is in denominator, this will come in numerator. This is in numerator, so it will come in denominator. This equal to n minus 1. 7 11s are, so I am getting here 22 equal to n minus 1, or I can say n equal to 23. So from this formula I have calculated my n. Now I can put the values over here. So sum of 23 terms, that means I am calculating sum of 23 terms. These terms, total terms are given to me is 23. So S23 is equal to 23 by 2. A is what? 7. And L is what? L is what? L can be written as AN only. This is 84. So just add them up. Here I will be getting it as 91. Multiply these two and you will get your sum. So on multiplication I am getting it as 2093 by 2, which can be written as in mixed fraction 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12 and 1. 1046 complete 1 by 2. So this is your sum of these 23 terms. Let's see this question, children. Here you are given with A equal to 7, A13 equal to 35 and you need to find out D and S13. So you know A13 can be written as A plus 12D and the value of A13 is 35, so I am writing it as A plus 12D. So this is my equation 1. Now here you are also given with A equal to 7, so you can put A equal to 7 over here. So 35 equal to 7 plus 12D, which can be written as 35 minus 7 equal to 12D, and on subtracting I will be getting it as 28 equal to 12 by 2, which gives me D equal to 28 by 12. And here I can get it as 2 6s, 2 14, 2 3s and 2 7s. So I am getting my D equal to 7 by 3. So this is what we need to calculate. So D equal to 7 by 3. Now you want to find out S13. So this will be equal to 13 by 2, which is n by 2, 2A, and A is your 7. Plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 13 minus 1, which is 12 into D is your 7 by 3. So write 7 by 3. I have just put it in the formula 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula which I have used here for Sn. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So I am getting it as 13 by 2, 14 plus 28, which gives me 13 by 2, and this is your 42. Now I can cut 2 1s are 2 2s are, and which on simplification gives me 273. Let's see the next question. Here you are given the D equal to 5, S9. You need to calculate A and A-nth term, A-ninth term, sorry, here it is A and ninth term. So let's see, first of all you write down what is given to you. S9 can be written as n by 2. N is here, 2A, which you don't know, plus n. N is what? 9, so 9 minus 1 is 8, and D. D here it is 5. This is your sum of 9 terms, which is equal to 75. So I have written 75 over here. This is the formula for S9, sum of 9 terms. So value of S9 is given to me as 75. Either you can do it like this, equal to 75, or write under S9 75 and then solve it. So I am writing it here. So let's see how I can solve it further. So I will be solving this part now, because I have written sum of 9 term as 75. First of all, I will try to move 9 by 2 to that side. So I will be taking it as 2A plus 40 equal to 75. This 2 will go in the numerator and 9 will come in the denominator. So this is 2A equal to, I can say 75 into 2 multiplied, 5 2s are 10. So it is coming out to be 150 by 9. And when I take this 40 this side, it will turn out to be minus 40. Now this is 2A equal to, take the LCM 9, 150 minus 360, which gives me 2A equal to, just subtract it, so it will be minus 0, 1 and 2 upon 9. Now this 2 I can bring down, so it will be A equal to minus 210 by 9 into 2. Cut it, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are. So I am getting it as minus 105 by 9. You can simply simplify it further. 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. So I am getting it as 35 by 3. I wanted to calculate A, so this is your A, which is minus 35 by 3. Now I want to calculate my ninth term. So ninth term can be written as A plus 8D. Now I know the value of A, which is minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into D. And what is your D given here? D is given to you as 5. So I'll be writing it as minus 35 by 3 into 40. So not into, it is plus 40. Take the LCM again. So this is minus 35 plus 120, which will give me positive, because here the greater value is positive. So it will give me 5, and this is 9, this is 95 by, this is 85 by 3. So what is your A ninth? That means what is your ninth term? It is 85 by 3. So this is your ninth term, which is asked in the question. See this question, children. You are given with A equal to 8, Anth term is given, Sn equal to this, find N and D. You are given here Anth term and Snth term. That means sum of N term is given to you and your last term is also given to you. So whatever is given to you, you try to put that formula. So here I know Anth term can be written as A plus N minus 1 into D. And side by side I will be writing it as N equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Now I need to calculate N and D. Let's suppose I put it here. My Nth term is given as 62. A is given to me as this. N is given to me, and I need to calculate here. And D also I need to calculate here. So on solving it, I will be getting it as 62 minus 8 equal to N minus 1 into D. So here 62 minus 8 will be your say 54 equal to N minus 1 into D. Now children, here two things are unknown to you, so I cannot solve it further. So let's see what I can get from this formula. Now Sn is given to me as 210, N I don't know, 2, A is known to you, which is 8, plus again N is unknown to you and D is again unknown to you. So I have written it like this only. Let's solve it further. I can take this to this side, since this is multiplication with the complete term, that's why I am bringing it here. So this will give me 420 equal to N, and inside I will be getting it as 16 plus N minus 1 into D. Now children, I have calculated the value of N minus 1 into D as 54. So I can replace this value with 54. So write it down, 420 equal to N 16 plus 54, which gives me 420 equals N into 70. This 70 is in multiplication with N, so it can be written as 420 by 70. 70 will be in the denominator. 7 ones are 7 6 are. So here I am getting my N equal to 6. So that means I have calculated my N. Now I need to calculate my D. So N equal to 6, I can put it here to calculate the value of D. So let's put it here. 54 equal to N is given to me as 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5 into D. Or simply I can write it as 54 by 5 equal to D. So this is my D. Or I can write it as 5. This is my D. See the next question, children. Here you are given with A, N and S. Here it is only written S, but since I have taken N equal to 8, that means this is the sum of 8 terms. I need to calculate D over here. since I am given with S, that means sum, so I'll be putting the formula for Sn. So I know Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn is 192, your n is given to you as 8, 2a is given to you as 3 plus 8 minus 1 and d is unknown to you. So I'll simply solve it further. 2 4s are, now this 4 is in multiplication with this term, so I can bring it down. 192 by 4 equals 6 plus 7d. Now I can open the formula because I have simplified. I can take this 6 this side. So let me first cut this. 2 2s are, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are, again 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8 and 48. So here I will be getting 48, 6 minus 6 equal to 7d. So subtract it, you will be getting it as 42 minus 7d, or you can calculate d as 42 by 7, which is again d equal to 6. So here I got the value of d.